Hello, good morning. Just a quick update on Bitcoin as I did one yesterday. I just want to update you my thoughts. So this weekly candle's close and low is something that's holding up the market at the moment, and I have a bearish bias on Bitcoin. So if we go down into the daily, you'll see a little bit clearer the support structure that I'm looking at. Support here, support here, support here, and support here. And what is key for me is this Monday though. If we're going to bounce and come back and retest and stay inside, then we may come back up and retest Monday's low. And yeah, that's not something that I'm interested in. But let's just go down into the 2-hour, because yesterday I was looking at a breakout from Monday's low. So a breakout, and now we're getting that retest. But with the new information that we have, we can see that this is a solid support structure. Support, 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 support. So if I'm bearish this, I want to see a rejection of Monday's low. I want to see it break back down on a 2-hour time frame and retest from the underside. And then we haven't got a lot on the left hand side holding this up. So let me just give you a clear picture. Support, 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 Monday's low. If we get a rejection of that to the downside, retest, this support could turn to resistance, and then I'm looking for this candle low to go. Now that's me and my bias and what I want to see. That doesn't mean that price cannot come back inside Monday's range, something like this, retest, and then come higher. If it does that, then my hands are off this instrument, and I'll be looking for maybe selling opportunities from Monday's high again, or this previous weekly high. So that's just my thoughts on Bitcoin. Recap, I'm watching this support structure on the 2-hour time frame. If we get a rejection, retest from the underside, I'll be looking for selling opportunities. Stop just inside Monday's low for a little bit of added protection, and then looking to fill in most of this inefficiency to the left hand side.